This is part 2 of how to make your first $1,000 online for free. If you have been in this channel, you must have seen the part 1 before this one, or if you are just coming across this one, do well to check the video before this one, which is part 1. Now, this is a screenshot of the previous discussion that we have. I'm going to wipe it and we'll start to this one. See, the internet is designed in a very unique and interesting way when it comes to trying to do things online for free. You see, free things over the years work on the internet space, but the biggest problem is they don't always stay long when you understand how this internet is designed very well. So this is why I'm going to be giving you this secret guide. You will not find this secret anywhere. Trust me, it worked. It works like magic, like mad. And that was how I was able to make my first $1,000 on this internet space. Yes, I'm not capping. 100%. There's no human being that will tell me that he followed this and it doesn't work. So how do you now get this done? This is my practical experience. I was watching videos online one day. I saw a video that got about 50k view. The person was teaching people how to do one particular stuff. I'll not mention the stuff here. In the video, he said, some people are so wicked. They are doing this. They are charging people money to do this. Why should they charge them money that he's going to teach them for free in this particular video? That they should not pay anyone. That was already a red flag that a right thinking human being is supposed to be aware of. But because I understand that the internet is designed for business, I stay put. I watched that video. After everything, he talked about the processes. I picked the idea he explained in that particular video. I went for that because he said it is free. That was what made me to take it very serious, because I know that it will not last long. I picked the introductory part that he gave. I went for that for a paid course. Went to learn more advanced things about it. Now, trust me, as I said, the internet, anything you see on the internet that promises to be free, it doesn't stay long. I was being very observant. After like about 2-3 months later, or 6 months later, the platform went down. Yes, the platform he used to tell them that they shouldn't pay anybody went down. Because yes, why did it go down? You see, they are into business. So they cannot be giving you free thing and you expect them to remain in business continuously. So two things are involved. It's either they will sell it to a new partner who now come and begin to charge people money so that they can continue to remain in business, because it costs money to keep these things on the internet space. Just like you, if they employ you and your employer is not paying you, you will not continue that work, you quit. So that is how it is. So because I understand this, I now went from this learning, I became very good in it, and then I kept on the low. Now this platform went down. The surge for this stuff became very high, that since he has already created awareness about it. Yes, the surge is very high. Now people can no longer get it. The platform has gone down. They remap this platform, they bring down the downtime of the platform, they renew another one, they put a very high amount here. So because I knew how to do this thing very well, I went now, I created my own account in this new platform. I already know what to do. I have all my international payment processor, learn everything, use my card, make payments, convert my money to dollars, make payment and everything. And then began to use this to give this to these people who they were first lied to that they can do it for free. Now the platform have gone down, they cannot do it again. I had to now start charging them money. So that was how I made my first $1,000. It sounds like magic. Very interesting story, right? So that is the bitter truth. So anything you see on this internet space that promises to be free, don't worry, it will go down. We understand the game. If it doesn't go down, they will adjust all the features. Even Facebook monetization, when it first came, they say, it's free, free, free. When they begin to adjust their features, all those people that came, they began to run away. The same thing with TikTok. TikTok, yeah, you make money for free. The moment it has a lot of search, they will adjust it. Then people who invest money into it are the ones that will remain there to continue to make more money. So that is the secret. There is no secret on this internet space that is better than, especially when it comes to digital product. There is no secret that is bigger than this secret I just gave you now. See, nobody can save you from this thing. If you ignore this information that I just gave you now, you will die poor on this internet space. You will do a lot of things until you become mentally derailed. There are people that when they tell them that when they see people show them dashboard making money online, like somebody like me, they find it very difficult to believe it because they have watched a lot of videos that told them that it's free, and then after everything, it never worked. Or they have gone to pay for courses and they refuse to follow the instructional material that comes with those courses. Then it doesn't work. Then they now see if they are told to pay money for any course, they begin to feel like they want to scam me, they want to collect my money. They say learn affiliate marketing, connect with people that are very good in this thing, pay money to learn. It's yeah, the money you are paying is the money they will use to eat food. They said, okay, go and learn digital marketing properly. Connect with people that are very good in this to learn. You say, if it is paying them, if it is paying them, then they should use that money to teach you for free. You think it is that way? No, you come on YouTube, you watch YouTube video that explain certain concept. The person now say, okay, for those who are interested in getting more serious in this thing, go to this link, make your payment, and I'll connect with you, and I'll give you more other detail guide, or on Facebook. Then you now say, YouTube is already paying them. Why are they collecting your money again? You will die poor. You will die poor, let me tell you. At the end of the day, that money that you don't want to spend, you still spend it doing trial and error. I was in this shoe before until I understood this particular game, this trade that I just gave you guys. This is the best secret that you ever see on this internet space. Forget anything that anybody promised for free. I'm not discouraging you to watch those free tutorial videos because I give free value information like this too. But if I tell you should stop at this level after watching this video, then I just lie to you. That is the bitter truth. If you ordinary copywriting that they try to tell you that you sit down and type something, see, there are some core concepts about copywriting that you will never see on this internet space for free. I have one of the video that I'm using. If you watch that video, your understanding of copywriting will change. So these are realities. So don't allow anybody to deceive you. Because the bitter truth is, you see, very powerful, no matter how powerful an information is, once it becomes saturated, and a lot of people are doing it, it becomes very competitive. So if you are going in, even though the information is very effective and it is free, it will become very competitive that if you must succeed in it, you will see shaggy. You will work like no tomorrow. But if you follow what is not too saturated, because most people are always get trapped at this level of I'm interested, they don't always pass that stage. Out of every 1 million people that you see on this internet space that post I am interested on a particular thing, trust me, 1 million, about 999,000 of them stand a higher chance of never being committed. Let me tell you. At that first instance, even if they will be committed, that would have been maybe after 6 months later, or when they have seen Shaggy Pro Max. I have people that refuse to get certain things from it. Why am I charging people money to learn it? I said yes, keep roaming around. And trust me, some of them came back later, 6 months later, to beg me. One of them, in the result of begging me, I told him that even if he paid 1 million naira for it, I will not give him. Because it displays an act of foolishness. So the internet space is not designed for jokers. YouTube, the owners of YouTube spend billions of dollars every year to keep their platform going. So you think they are stupid? The owners of Facebook spend billions of dollars to keep this platform going. So if you want to really make the best out of their platform, you see it as a business person. You go in as a business person and go for other resources that are not too flashy. According to one of my mentors, he said you need to learn how to avoid flashy things. Yes. So you need to understand this thing very well and be very serious about it. And you have to be very committed and focused, because when you follow the decision on the internet space, you get lost. A lot of people are lost now. A lot of people have their, in short, one of the worst things that can happen to you is to have what we call information overload. Once your brain is contaminated, then everything about you is gone, because you never have clear direction of where to go. You are going to be trying to hold random things, and at the end of the day, you'll just be falling anyhow. It's like somebody who is trying to climb a 10-story building. You cannot be holding random ladders. You have to hold one ladder very well that is strong and follow it to the top. Look at the ladder that goes to the highest level of the building. That is the ladder that you climb. If you climb this ladder and you feel because it's difficult, you come down, you go and climb down, and because you feel it's somehow, it will take you to step 9. Then you step 9, you use staircase. You are going. What if you, by the time you get to the 9th step and then you go there and there is no staircase? That is exactly what is happening to a lot of people. So you need to have a proper rewiring of your brain to understand these things. So I believe you learned something in this particular video. Do well to keep a day. Do well to subscribe, and trust me, you'll be very happy you do. Thanks once again.